Hey everyone, welcome back. Trying to request a cash advance in Cleo and getting high with something went wrong, try again. Instead, here's a fix. The generic error usually means Cleo's system couldn't confirm your account details at the exact moment, often due to a brief connection drop or a temporary hold from Cleo's own eligibility checks. First, force close Cleo from your recent apps completely and reopen it. Then try the advanced request again fresh. Since a large number of these errors clears immediately on a new app session, if it happens again, go to settings, then go to general, scroll down to VPN and device management and turn off any VPN since Cleo's advanced system frequently blocks the request entirely when it detects a VPN routed connection. Which is exactly what triggers the generic error message. After confirming no VPN is active, check your connection strength in the settings under Wi-Fi and switch to mobile data if the signal is weak. If the error continues across multiple attempts on a strong connection, it's worth waiting 20 to 30 minutes before trying again since Cleo's eligibility system sometimes needs time to respond, reprocess after a failed attempt. So, all you've got to do is force close and retry the app, turn off any VPN, confirm a strong connection, and give it a little time if it keeps happening. The advanced request will be going through, and that's it. Subscribe.